little bit damp, is it okay?
Yeah, it will be fine. Bikes are loaded once again. This time I'm going to look at places which was sent to me by a fellow motorcyclist. He actually accidentally found my channel and sent me some locations. If you're watching again, thank you so very much for that. I'm excited to go there and camp. Bikes are loaded and I think it will be last camping trip for a while, because I have a big service on my bike. I'm very close to 16,000 miles. That will include valve clearance and it's going to be very expensive, so I need to put money aside for that. Even if I live in this evil thing, I still need to save money. Anyway, let's hit the road. We are kinda late because I spent like 1 hour to look for my stove, and then I found out it's on the motorcycle already. That was so lame. I think we are lucky with the weather, very lucky. Another heat wave is coming to the UK, so we're gonna have very lovely and hot weather. Anyway, let's hop on the bikes, my lady. Yeah, she's smiling, excited to ride once again. I'm not gonna torture her this time with insane mileage like we did in Scotland. It's still far, about 3 hours I would say from here where we go in, so I think she should be okay. She's getting better by every day. It's just like the miles she needs to do to feel absolutely confident. Today altogether we have only around 150 miles to do, which is not too much for us. I mean, for me, I think it's just the sweet spot now for my lovely lady. And we went to Scotland, we did like 350 in one day. That was a pain for her, but she's getting better, much better, more comfortable on the road with every mile. I like the cooler air as we gain in elevation and the slight breeze going through the jacket. Very refreshing. I'm thinking it's a little bit less adventurous if you know where you're going, and there is like 99% chance to sleep, but still nice day out and good ride.
But isn't it the area, you know? Like,
I
know the exact spot?
I don't know the spot. I rode there before in the area. Not exactly where we going, but a little bit further away. But in general, it's very nice area. And it's good, it's campable. Pitchable. Sleepable. chill out table, chill out table. And the heat makes you tired more than cold does. I enjoy sweat rather than frozen toes. This is actually very nice. Do you want to take some pictures? Oh yes. This is the pictures what you see on postcards. Should I go have a look and come back for you, or exploration? Let's explore. Let's explore. I didn't expect these guys on bikes like at all, you know, like these big adventure bikes as well. It's the first time ever when I go places like this. I never met anybody. Yeah. Like for bikes at the same time. Wow. They looked like happy, yeah. Having fun. You look very pleased yourself. Much better than tarmac, huh? Let's carry on. I was very curious what is up here. Now I know. Beautiful view. And fireplace. You know, you remember last time when I went for the short walk, came back and said, It was beautiful.
And then you told me after,
Uh,
oh
to-
my
to-
god, it was so amazing.
Yeah, so that's why I made you bring bike up here as well. I just spotted tent and campfire, so we have a neighbor tonight. Hello! Nice place you have here. There is those campers we saw from the top, and it's actually very cozy, very lovely place there, like very cozy. Wow. They have actually, I believe, the best spot in the area, and I think this is the guy. This is what the guy meant who had reached out to me, and he said something like, I think you would like it there. Yes, man, I would love it there. Thank you very much again, but it's been taken, so we have a look if we can find something like around here, like there is this place in the forest or something around, or perhaps on top up there. Anyway, time advanced, I would say let's have a look, my lady.
Yes.
As well, there is some mosquitoes, but no midges, the flying evil. Everything around here is downhill, even slightly, but still downhill. I mean, what we're looking at now is a big downhill, but nothing flat. Anyway, very beautiful around here, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think the guys, they are somewhere there, behind them bushes. This is some climb, but not too bad. My lady is looking after inside, hidden from mosquitoes, and I'm going to get jackets, helmets, beer, food, and all the stuff from the bikes. is everything. Let's turn the bike around as well. Oof. Going up and down, getting stuff from the bike, a little bit exhausting. Okay, this is everything from the bike.
You getting in?
Now I'm gonna look for the place where we could light some fire.
Okay, I'll set this up and join you.
Okay, and I suggest if you put your bike next to mine, like turn it around so it's ready to just set off in the morning.
Okay.
Or do you want me to do it?
I can do it.
I know you can do it. I'm just helping, so you're not wasting any time because sunset is happening. It's okay. So I'm gonna look where we can light it. I think right here by the water. Why not? It's not going to be anything huge today. Just tiny, little, small, cozy campfire. I'm glad, happy we having one. I didn't expect it will gonna happen, but it will happen. Very happy. Life is beautiful. I just remembered I left my headlamp on the bike. So let's climb the hill again. The headlamp will be very useful later to climb these stairs and hill. Oh yes. Oh yes. If we didn't have bikes here, nobody actually would know we are here because our tent is down there somewhere, almost like a stealth camping. My lovely lady, this is what I have for us for tonight.
Cute.
little cozy corner with a tiny fireplace.
And a waterfall.
And yes, and waterfall. The rest of the scenery should be better, but I'm not complaining.
Should I get you a lighter?
Do you have?
In the tent.
Really? You have lighter in the tent?
In my jacket I have one.
You are amazing.
I'll go get it then. You need it?
Thank you. I so love you. Do you know that? we having campfire, very cozy. But something missing, my lady, something missing. Let's check the fridge. Cheers, my lady. Cheers, my lady. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Campfire. Beautiful ride. Actually, very beautiful ride.
Yeah, really
Nice weather. Not very hot, but hot enough. But not too hot. It was manageable. Campfire after all day riding. Lovely lady next to me. Beer. Hot dogs waiting for me in the tent. I know my menu is very boring. Sandwiches, hot dogs or meatballs. Anyway, life is beautiful. Cheers. Yes. What is it you're doing with the stone?
Trying to make a table for my bear.
You are genius. Caravan I am living is actually a dark place because of the people I'm sharing with. Otherwise it will be actually cozy and pleasant living. But I'm there to save money and to afford petrol to go places like this and have campfire and afford beer and full English on the road. Yeah. So what I save on rent, I can actually spend for myself or us, and that actually makes me happier. Yeah. To spend the money for stuff I like to do than pay the rent and sit inside the expensive house and look at the bike from the window. Anyway, we need to feed our fire. You know who you are. Thank you very much for reaching out to me and sharing this area. I would only find it by accident. This is some campfire going on for sure. We need to make it a bit smaller, be more stealthy, perhaps. But it's nice and cozy. Very nice, very cozy. Guess what? I forgot rubbish bags on the bike. And we definitely will need one. So let's have a hike in dark. It's good to have headlamp. And I'll get you the extra layer as well. It's getting slightly chilly. I'll be back, my lady. Let's have a walk.
Are we going together?
Stay by the warmth of fire. I will bring it for you.
You sure?
Yes.
Can I come with
Stay. Soon as I turned the headlamp on, it actually went off. It needs to be charged. I did charge them a few days ago Haven't used them. Don't know what's going on, but anyway, 2 headlamps for I think £15 it was. What can you expect? Your inner layer from the jacket is actually so much better than mine because you can actually zip it like a jacket. That's
You
cool.
can't zip yours.
No, I can't. It's just like a part of the jacket, and it doesn't like close separately. Yeah, I wish I had that on my layer. I'm curious if our neighbors still having flames.
I don't think so.
They had actually quite big tent compared to ours. I think it takes like
It
time.
looked quite tall, like a tall tent.
Yeah, you can definitely stand in their tent.
Yeah.
It was a guy and lady, younger than us.
Well, maybe not me.
Yeah, younger than us, and yeah, bless them. So they first come, first serve. They have the spot, and I actually can't complain. You know, being here, I'm having a good time being even here. It's actually more private, this little corner,
I think it's nice actually.
surrounded with the woods. Sound
It's
of
like
the
we
river.
have the little house and then this is the garden.
It's perfect, perfectly described. I don't know what it is, but the sound of the river always makes me sleep like so good. It's so peaceful, and I don't know why, but I always sleep the best when I hear the water, if it's river or rain on top of the tent. Time advanced. After some beer and relaxation, this is going to be challenging hike. Anyway, let's do it.
What time are we getting?
What time we getting up tomorrow? It's up to you, or whenever we actually want to. It's my day off tomorrow, also yours. So
I'd rather not get home really late though. Not like night time.
oh no, we are early birds. You know we will get up early anyway without alarm. And the ride home is like, I would say
3 hours?
3 hours and a half if we just focus on the ride home without detours, just like, you know, smash the miles back home. So are we skipping the dinner tonight?
Why are you asking if you really want to eat?
No, I'm just asking. Just asking.
I don't know because I want what you want and if you like eating it.
If we skip the dinner tonight, tomorrow we have triple full
Full Welsh.
with everything super extra,
With 4 glamorous sausages.
and 16 black puddings. I have some bad news for you.
What's the bad news?
I left pillow at home.
Oh, I already know that. I made the beds. I was thinking we use our extra layer.
The sound of the river is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. didn't know you passed out already. Anyway, see you in the morning. Coffee, my lady.
Thank you.
The quality of sleep I get outside, especially next to the river, and the sound of water all night long is just fantastic. Birds having their morning conference. Very peaceful around here, very peaceful. It can get busy during the day. I've seen some hikers and just like people park up in the car park, sitting down here, enjoying the peacefulness of the place. Today should be another hot day, and after tomorrow the temperature should drop. Nothing like cold, I think 19-20 degrees, but my days off, I had the best weather I could have in this week. Can you pass me bin bag? I'll start collecting the rubbish. Thank you. Nothing left behind, like we never slept here. The sun has some power already. Yeah, it's very hot day today again, according to forecast. Anyway, our adventure ending here. It was very beautiful ride yesterday, very good night's sleep, and it's just fantastic day out in general yesterday. And we might gonna stop for full Welsh. If yes, I will add it to the video, maybe, just to make people jealous. Have a good day, afternoon or evening, and ride safe. Ready, my lady?